This is Lia ChaCha. Lia is a cheerful and curious little girl who loves to explore the world around her. One day Lia was brushing her teeth when suddenly her toothbrush started talking to her. This is Toothy the Toothbrush. Toothy is a magical talking toothbrush who's been with Lia's family for generations. Next, Lia looks into the mirror. This is Mimi the mirror. Mimi is a wise and kind mirror who's always looking out for Lia. Mimi tells Lia that she has a cavity. The only way to fix it is to visit Dr. Sparkle, the funny, friendly dentist. On the way to Dr. Sparkle's, Lia encounters the giggly germs, silly germs that make you giggle uncontrollably. They try to stop Lia from getting her teeth cleaned, but she brushes them off and gets to work. At the dentist, Dr. Sparkle makes Lia laugh while he cleans her teeth. Soon it's time for the filling. Dr. Sparkle gives Lia's tooth a shiny new filling, and all the giggly germs run away. When Lia looks in the mirror, she sees her beautiful smile. She runs home to tell her friends, Tommy, Zara, and Benny, all about her adventure, and they all lived happily ever after. The end. Wake up, wake up! It's morning in Sparkletown, and guess who's just waking up? It's Lia. She yawns and stretches. Lia, good morning, sun. Time to start the day. Let's sing. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning, sunshine. It's time to rise. Rub your eyes and open wide. Stretch and smile. Don't be shy. Say hello to the bright blue sky. And Lia jumps out of bed and heads to the bathroom. She looks at her reflection and smiles. Lia, good morning, sunshine. You're so pretty. She takes a deep breath and gets ready for the day. Narrator. And with that, Lia's morning routine is complete. What will she do next? Make sure to stay tuned to find out. Welcome to my channel. This is a special place where toothbrushes come to life. Meet Toothy the Toothbrush. He's a colourful character who loves to sing and dance while he cleans your teeth. And over here is Mimi the mirror. She encourages you to brush and floss and eat healthy foods. And she's got a special trick up her sleeve. Now let's meet our new friend, Lia. Hiya! She's got a big day planned. So let's get brushing. Toothy. Hi, Lia. Ready to clean those pearly whites? Lia. Hi, Toothy. Yes, let's make my teeth sparkle. As Lia brushes her teeth, Toothy sings and dances around her mouth. He's so happy to see her smile. Mimi the mirror. Remember, Lia, brushing in circles keeps those sugar bugs away. And don't forget to floss. Flossie the floss. Here we go round and round. Get out of here, sugar bugs. You're not welcome in this mouth. Ooh, I found some sparkly teeth treasure. It's time to brush those teeth. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. In the morning and at night, to keep them clean and shiny. Bright, brush up and down, left and right. Toothy says it's super cool to brush each day before and after school. 2 minutes long. It's not too tough. With swirls and spins and lots of fluff. Subtitles show each lyric in a colourful, bold font. Alright, let's follow along. Lia follows along, brushing happily. Oh, we're almost done. Just a few more seconds. And there you have it. A perfectly clean set of teeth. That's 1 minute. Let's go for 2. Almost there. And we're done. The giggly germs are here. Inside this cartoon mouth, the giggly germs are having a dance party. They're eating sugar and having a great time. But wait, what's this? It's Toothy. He flies in like a superhero and scares all the giggly germs away. Germ 1 giggles. Let's hide between her teeth and snack on sugar. Germ 2 laughs. Yummy! No brushing means party time. Toothy flies in like a superhero and shouts, No way, giggly germs! It's time to clean house. All the germs run away as Toothy cleans up the mess. And that's why it's important to brush your teeth, so that the good bacteria can win the war against the bad. This is the most requested song for kids by far. So here it is, singing. Bye-bye, germs. You can't stay. We brush our teeth every day. Swish and swoosh, the toothpaste ride. We'll chase you out, no place to hide. The germs scream playfully and vanish. Germ 1. Oh no, not the minty wave. This song is so much fun to sing along to. And it's so good for your dental health. It's like a little party in your mouth. And guess what? You can get all of these songs for free. Just click the link below. And remember, brushing your teeth is not just about looking pretty or having good breath. It's about feeling good inside and out. So keep brushing those pearly whites and don't forget to floss. And as always, drink plenty of water and eat healthy foods. Your teeth will thank you for it. Brush with friends. Lia goes outside with her friends holding their toothbrushes. Lia, let's have a brushing party. Tommy, my brush glows in the dark. Zara, mine sings a song. Benny, mine's shaped like a rocket. They all brush their teeth with their special toothbrushes while singing a song. Lia, I have a little toothbrush. It's pink and purple and blue, and we can brush our teeth together. You and me and you. Tommy, my toothbrush glows in the dark. We can brush our teeth in the night. You and me and you. Zara, my toothbrush sings a song. We can brush our teeth all day long. You and me and you. Benny, my toothbrush is shaped like a rocket. We can brush our teeth and reach for the stars. You and me and you. They finished brushing their teeth and went inside. Here's a new song for you guys to sing along to. It's called Brush With Me. Brush with me, brush with me. Let's brush our teeth. 1, 2, 3. In the mirror, side by side. Brushing friends with sparkling pride. They all laugh and pose with sparkling teeth. I hope you like it. I thought it was super fun. And here's a little secret. If you sing along and dance along to my songs, I might just pick your comment and feature it on my page. So give it a try. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey, are you brushing your teeth right now? You should be. It's important to have good oral hygiene. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. First, you wanna get your toothbrush and your toothpaste. Then you wanna turn on the water and get your mouth wet. Next, you wanna add a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto your toothbrush. And then you wanna start brushing all the teeth in your mouth. Don't forget to brush your tongue too. Once you've brushed all the teeth in your mouth, then you want to floss between each tooth. This will remove any food particles that are stuck between your teeth. After you've flossed, then you can rinse one more time with water and you're done. Now you can go and check out this video over here. Hello, my name is Lia, and I'm going to the dentist today. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited to show Dr. Sparkle all of my shiny teeth. Here we go. We're at the dentist office. It's bright and fun, with balloons and toys everywhere. This is Dr. Sparkle. He has a fun voice, and he's gonna help me count my teeth. Okay, let's open wide. I have 20 shiny teeth. You have to brush them twice a day. That's really important. Don't forget to floss. And you should be as excited about your teeth as I am. Dr. Sparkle uses funny tools and makes silly faces. He does not use any scary sounds or needles. And getting an electric toothbrush. This was the best dentist visit ever. I'm so glad I got to show off my shiny teeth to Dr. Sparkle. I'm giving him a 10 out of 10. See you next time. It's time to get excited, because today we're going to the dentist. And it's fun to go. Fun to go to the dentist now we know. Okay, first things first. Let's sing our happy tooth song. We're not scared. It's fun to go to the dentist. Now we know. Open wide. Say ah with me. Healthy teeth for all to see. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, let's have some fun with our friends. Tooth time game. Okay, grab your brushes and get ready to rumble. It's brushing time. Hey there, welcome to Tooth Time. I'm your host, Toothy. Alright, let's play Tooth Time trivia. For our first question, How many times should you brush your teeth? A once a day, B twice a day, or C 3 times a day? That's an easy one. The answer is B, twice a day. That's right. You should brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time. Wow, you guys are doing great. Keep it up. Alright, next question. What foods are good for your teeth? A chips and candy, B fruits and veggies, or C milk and eggs? That's an easy one. The answer is B, fruits and veggies. That's right. Give your teeth the power of the rainbow. Alright, next question. What does flossing do? Does it A, clean between your teeth, B, make your teeth sparkle, or C, help prevent gum disease? That's a good one. The answer is A, clean between your teeth. That's right. Flossing helps clean between your teeth where your toothbrush can't reach. And to all the kids who flossed at home, you get an extra gold star for being so healthy. Wow, you guys did amazing. Give yourselves a big round of applause. And don't forget to brush those chompers twice a day for 2 whole minutes. It's nighttime. Lia is brushing her teeth again. She brushed them before dinner, and now it's time to brush them before bed. Lia in pajamas, brushing again. Lia's mom, soft voice. Did you brush all your teeth, even the ones in the back? Lia, yes, mommy. No more sugar bugs today. Today is the last day of brushing for the week. Usually on Fridays, Lia and her mum sing the brushing song together. But today, Lia's mum is leaving for a business trip. She's going to be gone all weekend. Lia's mom, have you practiced your brushing song this week? You know, up and down, round and round. Lia, yes, mommy. I brushed all my teeth up and down and round and round. No more sugar bugs here. Well, that's my good girl. Now I have to go. Oh, but you still have to brush your teeth. You can't go to bed without brushing, and you have to brush for 2 whole minutes. That means you have to keep brushing until the sparkle sound is found. Alright, I'm gonna miss you, mommy. Give me a kiss. Mua. Love you too. Now let's find that sparkle sound. Bedtime brushing song. 2 minutes. Twinkle, twinkle, little brush. In my mouth you swish and rush. Up and down and all around, till the sparkle sound is found. Nighty-night to teeth so clean, brushed with love and nice and keen. Close your eyes and dream away, with happy smiles for the next day. 1 minute left. Keep brushing, Lia. Almost done. Just a few more seconds, and then you can go to sleep. I brushed my teeth up and down and round and round. No more sugar bugs here. My teeth are clean. I got the sparkle sound. Good job, Lia. I knew you could do it. Now go get some sleep. You have an early day tomorrow. Good night, mommy. Love you. Love you too. Hi, it's Lia from the dental office. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about taking care of your teeth. You know, sometimes when you go to the dentist, they give you a little toothbrush and some dental floss and a free sticker too. But you know what? Sometimes kids get a little bit scared or nervous at the dentist. So today I'm going to share 5 super fun tooth tips so that you can take care of your teeth every single day at home. And guess what? After each tooth tip, we're gonna do a little dance. Get ready. Alright, here we go. Tip number 1 is brush your teeth twice a day. That means once in the morning and once at night. And we're gonna do a little toothbrush dance right now. Yeah! Tip number 2 is use a small soft toothbrush. A small soft toothbrush will help you get all the sugars and bacteria out of your mouth. It will make your teeth nice and shiny, just like new. Let's do a little toothbrush dance. Whoa! Tip number 3 is don't forget your back teeth. You have teeth up front for biting and back teeth for grinding. Make sure to brush all of them. Let's do a little toothbrush dance. Yeah! Tip number 4 is eat lots of fruits, drink lots of water, and don't eat too many sweets. Fruits and water are good for your teeth, and it's best to save sweets for a special treat. Alright, let's do a little toothbrush dance. Yeah! Tip number 5 is visit the dentist at least twice a year. The dentist will clean your teeth and make sure that there are no cavities. And we're going to do a little toothbrush dance. Yeah, so remember, brushing your teeth should be fun. Now let's all go brush our teeth and do the brushy dance. Come on guys, let's go. Hi, it's me again. I hope that you learned some fun ways to take care of your teeth. Remember to brush your teeth twice a day. Use a soft toothbrush. Don't forget your back teeth. Eat healthy foods and visit the dentist twice a year. And you know what? You can also get a fun toothbrush and dental floss at any store near you. So let's all take care of our teeth and have a healthy smile every day. Bye-bye. It's time to get those pearly whites nice and bright. Welcome back to our channel, where we make brushing your teeth fun and exciting. Let's dance while we do it. Alright little friends, let's get this party started. Put on your favorite tunes, because it's time to move. And don't forget to show us your best moves in the comments below. Brush, brush, swirl around, step to the left, then to the ground. Jump up high, tap your toes, brushy dance wherever you go. Spin your brush like a lasso bright, brushing teeth feels just right. Lia ChaCha leads the crew, dancing, brushing, me and you. That was awesome. You have such cool moves. Keep dancing while you brush to make sure those teeth are clean and shiny. High five. Give us a wave if you're having fun. We sure are having fun. Ooh, a flying tooth. Look out, it's Toothy. Hi friends. I just flew in from a long flight and I am so tired. Can someone please give me a brushing before I go to bed? Please, please, please. Well, of course we will, Toothy. Hop in the tub and let's give you a brushing. All done, Toothy. Thanks for brushing with us, friends. The 2-minute timer really helps me keep track of when I'm brushing long enough. Now it's story time. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs who lived in a house made of cheese. The big bad wolf huffed and he puffed, but he couldn't blow the cheese house down. And that, my friends, is the story of the 3 little pigs and the cheese house. Well, that was a great story, but it's time for bed, so let's get cozy. Good night from Lia ChaCha. Lia tucks in, hugs Toothy, smiles. Lia, sleepy voice. Thanks for brushing with me today, friends. Sweet dreams and sparkling smiles. It's time for bed. Let's sing our song. Goodbye, friends. It's time to sleep. Your teeth are clean and dreams are deep. Tomorrow comes with sun so bright. Let's brush again. Morning and night. Don't forget to brush your teeth every day. Blue is for brushing. Red is for bed. Blue is for brushing. Red is for bed. All done now. Let's go to sleep. We'll brush our teeth in the morning. Make them pearly white. Don't forget to brush your teeth every day. What did we learn today? We learned to brush our teeth and chase away the cavity bugs. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe for more fun songs and stories.